Welcome to the newly renovated Seaside Honeymoon one-bedroom concierge villa suite, also referred to as the LV1, located in the Caribbean village of Beaches, Turks and Caicos. As you walk in, you see the living room and kitchen. From the living room, you have a nice large balcony. From the balcony, you have a garden view. This daybed also has a trundle underneath. This room offers one bathroom, his and her sinks, it has a nice large tub, a walk-in shower, the separate bedroom has a king bed, its own TV, and a closet with robes. The bedroom also has its own balcony.